Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Okay. So, can anyone quickly tell me what have you done in the previous lecture?
In the previous lecture, we have written hard words, meanings, and given word of chapter number 9.
Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what do we have to do in this lecture? Yeah.
Sir, can I, Rabia?
Yes.
Sir, we have to start with the explanation from where we have
Hmm.
left in chapter number 9.
Okay. So, girls, I want to ask you something. See, projector is not yet available. So, can I explain you the lesson with my gestures and reading with a book in my hand?
Yes,
Yes.
And don't worry, I will send you the PDF file of the textbook. So what you can do is later you can again, just read the chapter. Already half of the chapter I have explained you with the PDF. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Why can't I hear girls speaking? Girls sleeping. See, she said yes. So girls are sleeping.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Just now
No.
someone said yes. When I said girls are sleeping, she said yes.
She was Ilma.
No. No, sir.
Ilma is always sleeping, I know. Leave her.
No, sir. I'm not sleeping.
Always fighting and sleeping and eating and
No, sir.
just
No.
yes.
No, sir.
Okay, jokes apart. Only want one or two girls to answer. Everyone. Yes. Girls, I will only ask the question. Good. Happen to Nab
Yes, sir.
group, please. You are not answering. Talk to your parents now. Fatima,
Yes, sir.
I need to talk to your parents after the lectures because you are not answering. So please leave the group if you don't want to answer. If you don't want to speak, do you think the sir is speaking with the walls or with the blackboard? Whom am I speaking? I'm talking to you people.
Sorry.
So I have explained you half of the lesson. Can anyone tell me what was the story so far? Whatever you remember, or how much story do you remember? Can anyone?
Can I try, Amrin?
Yes.
There was one boy named Birti. One morning, uh, he was woken by her some urgent work. So after that, he listened something out of window and he jumped and he ran out of the window and he heard some zebras were uh, scattering from that water hole and there was a couple of hyenas. Then the Birti saw a lot of the hyenas. Then
Very good, very
there
good.
was Birti saw a lion cub, uh, and the lion cub was between that hyenas, and they were trying to bite the lion cub. So Birti was trying to save the lion cub. So then Birti was like he was going um, he was he was trying so much to save this lion cub. Then he throw
Wait,
some
wait, wait. Till now, now you pass on to any other girl whom you want this story to get continued.
uh, Aslam Tolia.
Slowly, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Story where slowly,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So explain from where Amreen Fatima stopped. Come on, you have to continue from there. Okay, Rabia, continue story from where Amreen stopped.
Yes, sir. So Bertie was trying to save the lion cub. So he started uh, throwing pebbles, and stones on the hyenas, but it were of no use because the hyenas were too big and
Just explain it in short.
yes, so it was not of any use. Then Bertie screamed on his top of his lungs. So the hyenas uh, slowly took steps backwards, and the Bertie ran to uh, save the lion cub. And when he came between the hyenas and the lion cub, the hyenas slowly moved. Her Bertie's mother came and he shot the gun. So the hyenas she shot the gun, and the hyenas went away very far from that place. And Bertie took the lion cub at home. Bertie and his um, uh, made made the hyena cub bath for 5 or 6 times, so all the mud was gone, and the lion cub was white actually. And Bertie and her mother fed the lion cub. They made the lion cub sit near the stove for some after bathing, and then when his father was shocked to see the lion cub at home. Bertie told whole story, and he insisted that I want to keep this lion cub at our house, and the lion cub will grow it. at our house
I
only.
said in short. In short.
Yes, it got only.
Okay. That seems like you're doing a prayer and we are sitting for you. Okay. Zainab Basar, can you continue from here?
Yes. Um,
But he insisted that I want to keep this lion cub. Then what happened?
um, then he slept, but his father was back to lunchtime.
I cannot hear you are asleep.
What?
You are sitting in a factory. No, we cannot hear you. Sorry.
Hello now?
It's very low.
Hello? Hello?
What? Hello, hello.
Sir, I'm speaking very loudly. Then too also.
Hello, hello. What? In short, what happened? The father came. But also want
No,
no, this girl, no. Okay.
No.
Now, Bertie's father didn't seem to know quite how to reply. He just said, "We'll talk about it later," and then he walked out. So, what happened as soon as both mother and son insisted to the father that no, I want to keep the lion cub. Now, father was a bit puzzled how to reply. I mean, they are so much insisting me, but they are behaving as a child. Okay, if Bertie is a small child, if he insists, it is okay. Now the mother, who is mature lady is also insisting that no, we want to keep the lion cub. How is it possible? So Bertie's father did not reply anything. He did not speak anything. He just went out of the room and was sitting for the lunch. They did talk about it later when the body was supposed to be in the bed. He wasn't though. He heard them arguing. He was outside the sitting room door, watching, listening. His father was pacing up and down. Now, what happens, students? Here, Bertie's father discussed about this, but he wanted to discuss only with the mother when the Bertie goes to sleep. So his father thought, okay, now Bertie might be sleeping in his room. So his father and mother went into their room and they started discussion on the lion cub. Bertie was not sleeping, Bertie was just standing outside the door. See, see full board
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
example. I'm not interior designer, so don't expect me to draw very good drawing. Now, drawing first of all,
Excellent.
answer was very bad. So, anyways, this is just to explain you that Bertie's father and Bertie's mother, they might not looking like this. So they both are discussing in their room. Thought that Bertie is sleeping in Bertie's room. Bertie was standing here. Was standing here near the door. You know, like this. He was listening everything, whatever is happening. Her mother is speaking, everything he was listening. He was very excited. After all, Bertie knew that if mother said one thing, that's that. In your house also, I think whatever mother says is the rule. Is Bertie. In your house, father says or mother says, what is the rule? One by one.
Both.
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 No,
Both.
don't give me the philosophy, huh? One after the other. Girls are copying each other. Actually, in
No.
my house,
First, so I
No,
did
sir.
not copy.
everyone is copying Rabia.
No, sir.
If Rabia
But
will
I
go
did
in the
not.
well, if Rabia will go in the well, you also will fall in the
No, then no one will come in the well.
means you will fall. Very bad.
No, but I will also not fall.
Jokes apart. Now Bertie was standing here. He was trying to hear every single thing, whatever father and mother were discussing regarding the lion cub. He anyhow wanted to keep the lion cub at home. See what happened? He'll grow up, you know. He was saying, you can't keep a grown lion, you know that. You know, we can't just throw him to the highness, replied his mother. The debate was going on. Was standing, mother was standing, was saying, lion will grow up. And if the lion will grow up, can you keep the big lion at your place? Really not. What will happen, students, if you will keep the lion at your place? One or two examples. If in your area, your house has a big lion, what will happen? What changes you can see? Come on.
No one will come at our.
Otherwise, also no one will come. What? Anyone else?
Mm. If anyone comes, then it fears that.
What? What is she speaking today? I don't know how her voice is. Even after wearing the earphones, we can hear her.
There is the problem in her mind.
Oh, lawyer of all the girls came.
No,
Side.
no.
Better you do your routine work, no? Eating samosa. Zainab Asar, what happened?
Right. It's
Amrin,
your habit and eating and eat.
Sir.
Amrin Fatima.
Your habit.
Sir.
Amrin Fatima.
Sir, I don't know about others, but my cousin will come at my home and play with the lion. If he if the lion was playing, like our, if it is our pet, then it plays with us.
One good
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Rabia, I hope you understood my point.
Yes, sir.
You are talking about lion. We'll ask him, want to play lion?
And he will answer yes.
He will answer yes. And on that spot, you will faint down. Never ask lion yes or no. You will just, action speaks louder than the word. This is what he believes in. So, what
Yes.
else in Fatima? What else will you do? This is not possible. You will ask lion to play. Practical is this the question? Okay, Amrit Fatima, one situation I'm giving you. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
For example, you are staying here. After two houses, Rabia's house is there. In Rabia's house, one big lion is there. From childhood, lion cub has become big in her house only. The lion cub is big, so it is a big lion, grown-up lion. Your house is two houses next to her. Okay, you go to her house.
Sometimes.
Oh my God. Okay, and Abdul Fatima, really you have to see you need to visit any zoo or sanctuary. You need to see the real lion, and your words might change.
What did she say?
Okay, sometimes I'll go. If really considering lion as a dog.
Yes.
So really, Amrul Fatima, when you will see the real lion, your words will change. It's not as easy as this story describes. Okay. Anyway, so now the father says that the lion cub will grow up. Not keep the big lion in our house. Mother said, he's a baby lion. Will you keep him outside? There was also right. We cannot keep lion cub like this, helpless. See who wins the bet. He needs us, and maybe we need him. Be someone for Bertie. All it's not as if he is going to. What happened? Just say yes or no. You heard Bertie's brother in the.
No.
No.
Bertie was only one child. He was all alone. Yes or no, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Now this time, generally girls and ladies do emotional blackmail. So they have the habit. So this time, mother said, "Okay, will you keep this small, cute lion cub? If you keep outside and Highness will hunt that lion cub, will you keep him like that? And moreover, we also need the lion cub. After all, Bertie is not having any brother or sister. Bertie is all time all alone. You go on the job, I do my housekeeping work and everything, and Bertie is alone. Think about him. This is what the mother said. If the lion cub will be there, he will protect Bertie, he will play with Bertie, and lion cub, when he will grow up, will not harm us because since his childhood, we will keep him. It is good for the Bertie. Time, emotional blackmailing took place. Students, I want to ask you, do you have any experience of emotional blackmailing? Like your mom says, okay, if you don't do, I have to do this work. Type of any experience you have? Because emotional blackmailing happens in every house. Come on, if you will share your experience, we will enjoy. No one?
Sir, do you have any experience? Till then we can think if we have.
Your voice is not clear.
I'm saying that do you have any experience?
Yes, I do have, but keep it secret, huh? Between this room only, between us only.
It's
Okay, girls,
recorded.
do you want to hear, girls?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, Sunny sir is involved in this, so don't tell him anything. Huh? He will not watch our recording. Once it happened, me and Sunny sir both were sitting in the evening, we were having the tea. I like to have toast and biscuits with tea. My mom also wanted. My mom was also there. Wanted to have. Sunny sir moves from his place. As soon as he is at home, he wants water at his place. Like I take myself from the kitchen. What happens? My mom wanted biscuits. Genius. So she wanted Parle-G. Bring Parle-G from the shop which is just next to the road. Who will go? Now it took 10 minutes. We did not decide who will go. Mom was like this. You going or shall I go? Emotional blackmail happens. One, okay, I will go. Give me the. It happened. Every time emotional blackmail happens, you know that any tragedy with you people.
Yes.
Like anything happened like this with you people, girls, lazy girls.
Case it always happens that we have a tenement, so like we stay together, but we stay on third, and living room and everything is on ground. So if whenever we are down and we forget anything upstairs, then we have to come again to take that.
Yeah.
So whenever we say something to get, then me and my sister look at each other. Now who will go?
Yes.
But it's not that always I only go. Sometimes I go and sometimes my sister go. But when her legs pain, then she look at me, then I have to go.
Emotionally, they look at us
Then when I'm not well, I look at her, then she has to go.
with a dull face. Please go. Yeah.
No, no, not with the dolphin.
Yes. Anyone else? Anything? Very bad. Anyone might be having the story. What is the time?
8:40.
Okay. So here at last, father said, all right, you keep your lion cub. So finally, father agreed. If you want to keep the lion cub, okay, keep it with you. This is what the father said. Ultimately, father was also emotionally blackmailed. So father had to put the weapons down and surrender. Okay, you keep your lion cub and enjoy. But this is, don't you think, a big decision? If you buy a television,
Yes.
you buy a car, you are taking a lion. Oh my God, adopting the lion. So I don't know about which century they are talking about because nowadays you cannot take lion like this. Not just you take the lion from the road and keep it. It's not dog. So, anyways, any doubts or anything which you did not understand till now, till his father accepted, please ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Please make sure that after this lesson, I will jump onto the other lesson. So make sure you give very much good grip. You keep the lectures, keep watching the lectures because I'm going to give everything in your. Unless you don't answer me, I will not give you. If you come to, I will just answer you, solve your. So next lecture, perhaps we will finish this and we will get question answers also. Lesson Bertie and the Lion Cub. Please make sure you keep watching the lectures, come in the lecture, come live, answer whatever questions are to. From next time, I will not call out the name. Say, sir, can I answer? If you don't do that, okay, who are answering, their internal marks will be counted. No doubts, and yeah, throughout this lecture was my.
Yes.
So, students, do you want to understand like this or from PDF?
Like this. Like this.
Like this.
Like this.
Like this.
But then promise me that from the next lecture you will answer. Come on, how many of you are promising?
Sir, I promise. Rabia.
Sir, I promise Ilma.
I'm promising Nancy Fatima.
Sir, I promise Ilma.
I promise, guys.
Sorry.
Okay, fine. Then with this, I end my today's lecture here. Nice day. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Have a nice
Bye,
day.
sir. Have a nice day.
Have a nice